Hi guys, this one's been in my stock for a long time. At one time I was actually thinking of doing a giveaway with it, but I don't think I want to do giveaways at the moment in the current situation. Cost me £1.50 in a charity shop. I do have another one that I think is identical, although it's a little bit bigger, but I think it's the same design. Certainly looks the same to me, but we'll do this one today. Originally from Habitat. I don't even know if they still exist. 4 sheets. Doesn't appear to have a date on it. Still sealed. No instructions in there, but so I guess this is our instructions. It's the usual, each part is numbered, or each slot is numbered, and you have to match them up together. Oh, yeah, it's the same picture, isn't it? Rather a lot of pieces. Don't know how long this is going to take me. When they're this big, I usually do 2 versions of the video. I do the full length one for those people who like to sit there quietly and just watch me, and I do a fast forward one where I just speed up the video, sort of time-lapse style. Anyway, there's a number 1. So let's have a look, see if we can get the pieces in the right place. That's that one. That's the one with number 1 on it. Bit of sandpaper. That looks like that one. I usually try and put them out nicely, and then I mix them up when I'm working on it. Oh, sun's coming out. It's been raining hard all morning, so I thought I'd sit and do one of these, and that's made the sun come out. Right, and then this is that one. This has got number 1 on it, so we'll start here. Hang on, that's got 2 number 1s. Yes, 2 number 1s. Oh, well, that's a confusing start. Two number 1s. Oh well. Ah, number 1. And that is that bit. I'll try and resist gluing anything as long as possible, because I usually start gluing bits and then find I've got them wrong. I certainly find that interesting as two number ones. I suppose you could have it that way if you prefer. Possibly. I'm just trying to guess why you've got two number one slots. Okay, number one. Number two there, number two there. Two. Those bits come out. Yeah, they do. Poking stick. Number two over there. Clearly the head, got an eye in it. So number two. If you watch my videos regularly, you'll know that I usually start waffling on about having a smooth side on the outside and a smooth side to the front. But that's not always the case. Three. There. It's going there, but which way round? Don't know. Not happy already. As soon as we get one that we have two choices as to which way round it goes. Let's crack on. Okay, 4. Hang on. 3. Oh, that's 4, isn't it? Yeah, so that's that slot there, so that's going to go up in there, which it can't do. That's going to go like that, that's going to go on the side of it like that. That makes more sense. Goes on the outside like that. Right, now we can tell which way around that had to go, and it is that way. So that was 4, 5. 5 that piece. Okay, so 6 I would imagine is that which is labelled 9. But it's got to be that piece. It's the other side of the head. Right, so we have a dragon head. that's all a bit loose, so that makes me want to start gluing it. See how we get on. So that was 5, 6, 7. So that's it. Finished. I'll tidy up a bit so we can get a better look at it. But we can at least see it's finished. I'm really upset it doesn't stand up after all that effort. Well, that's pretty poor, isn't it? I'll glue it a bit and then we'll have a final look at it. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.